welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vicki, and today I am unboxing a Natalie Attired. I'm so excited. So Natalie Attired is a fashion subscription box. Actually, before I get into this, I have something that I want to unbox. This is from my friend Linda Roy, and I have been waiting to unbox this, but I wanted to do it while I was filming. So she wrapped this really, really well. So I have my scissors out, and if you have not checked out Linda's YouTube channel, please check it out. I will have her information down below, and let me turn off the camera for a sec. I don't want to cut my fingers up, but I'm going to have to turn the camera off to get some of this tape off. Be right back. Okay, I did get the box untaped. And Linda, you get an A+ for taping the box. Linda is a former school teacher. So anyways, Miss Linda, Mature Sass, that is her YouTube name, is just the sweetest lady you will ever meet. And she does a lot of hauls. She's decorating. Oh my goodness. She has decorated her place just so nicely. And I just so appreciate this. So I have unboxed it, and first let me get the card out here. Yes, definitely Linda, A++ and tape. Let me see what she has. It has a little gold. This is just so sweet, Linda. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Let me bring it right up front. Can you see that? Here we go. It says Merry Christmas. And wishing you warm Christmas memories to make your new year bright. And I don't know if I'm supposed to read this. I never know if I'm supposed to read them or not, so I'm not going to. Linda, love you, girl. So let's see what she has in here. There are actually two things. Oh my goodness. Polka dot. And make sure there's nothing, nope. So what should we do? Let's go for the polka dots. Polka dots intrigue me. So I hope you are all having a wonderful Christmas season here, getting ready for Santa Claus. It is a good thing I did not put my scissors back, isn't it? Oh, Miss Linda, what did you do now, my friend? Oh my goodness, Linda, girl after my own heart. Oh my goodness, what do we have? These are caramel balls. Look, my friends. Oh, how delicious. Caramel balls. Oh, my dear. Okay, these look really big. Okay, I am going to take a bite. But I was starting to, and I thought, how rude. But how rude of me not to. You know? Oh, Linda and I definitely... They didn't fall out. Oh my goodness. Linda and I have a thing for chocolate. Oh, Take a look at that. Okay, I'm gonna eat the other half when I turn off. Actually, truth be told, I'm gonna eat more than the other half. Okay, Linda, I love you, my girlfriend. Wow. Chocolate and caramel. It doesn't get much better than that. little gold package. Oh my, okay. I was going to shove the other part in my mouth. I will show some restraint for now. Those are good. Okay, let me show you what I'm opening here. Oh. What did she put in here? It is, if I could get it. It is wrapped, oh my goodness, Linda. Okay, this, Linda is a shopper. And look at these. Look at these. These are just so pretty. Actually, I can put them on right now because I don't have any earrings on right now. I love them. Thank you, Linda, so very much. I am definitely going to tell Santa to put you on the good list, okay? So let me see here. See if I can put the backing on. Oh, what do you all think? Oh, love them. They are just gorgeous. And I like wearing big dangling earrings because they can be seen in my hair. Oh, Linda, you are an amazing lady. And I am so, so happy that we've connected through YouTube. Okay, my friend Linda, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Love you, my friend. Thank you again. Merry Christmas. Okay. I don't know what to say. But let's get into Natalie Attired. I don't think Natalie can compare with my friend Linda, but let's give it a try, huh? Okay, I have to be careful of this other caramel here. Natalie Attired. Wow. This is what Miss Natalie Attired looks like with a cute little sticker. And so let's rip this open. And ooh, Natalie Attired is, I am still just overcome here. Natalie Attired. There is, I believe, a $20 styling fee. Let me check. And let's see. If I keep everything, there's a 30% discount, 20% if I keep 3 to 4 items. I think that is it. It looks like it's a pretty, one thing I like about Natalie Attired, the pieces are pretty reasonable, and $20 styling fee that will be deducted from anything that I do choose to buy. So, and here's the card from my stylist. And let's see. Hi, Vicki. I sent a cute poncho wrap that will be cute over, something tops with the burgundy jeans. Oh, try the sweater with the pants too. Something denim. Enjoy, JJ. Happy holidays. There we go. Okay, and if anyone would like to try Natalie Attired, they can use my code down below, and they get credit, I get credit. So let's see, there is also a mailer, so free postage each way. And you know what I did? I opened the bundle. So let's just get into the bundle here. First, we have here, this is by Always and Forever. And I do love this color. This color is like a rose. Let me get up close here. So it's like a rose with black and white. This could go really nicely over leggings. Is it maybe it's not black, maybe it's gray. And let's see. And it has the sleeves, and let me see, it does have, yes. So you can roll, it has like a roll tab so you can roll them up. I like the colors. We'll see how it fits. Okay. Now this one, I like the color again. And let's see who this is from. This is from Vickiwiik. Is that right? Be Cool. Sorry. I was trying to read the. This could be also really cute. Look at this color. It's almost coming out more pinky than, I guess, with my light. This could be really nice too with leggings. I'm gonna have to get my gray leggings out, aren't I? Or with jeans also. Black leggings, gray leggings. I'd probably do more the gray, but either way. You see how it fits with the cowl neck here? This is really cute and soft. It does almost look like it has another color in it. Maybe like gray, white. Oh, not white. Definitely not white. Black. I do like that one. Okay. What else do we have here? Oh, this looks interesting. Very interesting. This is by Love Tree. Huh. I am not sure how do you wear this? Okay. This is definitely the poncho. And it does have one arm. It has two arms. Might be liking this one too. Okay. Did I also mention that my friend Linda, who gave me the chocolates and these beautiful earrings, she is like a stylist for me too. Well, she is a stylist to me. This could be really cute. It has like a little button up here. I definitely need to try this on, but I love this, the arms. Let me see here. It has like a little button here. How does this other one go up? The other one is attached. So this side over here is attached, and I'm not really getting the button. Oh, no, you can take this button off, but I'm not sure you'd want to. But I'm gonna do it. So I guess you could just wear it like that. Probably wouldn't want to. I don't know. This looks interesting to me because it's just a little different. It's lightweight. Okay, I like that one too. Okay, what do we have here? This is a t-shirt by Chris and Carol. I like Chris and Carol. And this is a camo t-shirt and it's long. Let's see. The bottom, I don't know. I'm almost thinking it might be rounded at the bottom. What do you all think? We'll definitely be able to tell when I try it on. It has a scoop neck and little short sleeves. This could go really nicely under the poncho. So 3 of these items I'm really, really thrilled about. Oh, and now we have the Just Black denim. And it looks like, to me, I don't know, it looks like they might be cropped, but I'm not that tall, so maybe they are, maybe they're not. So it does look here, look at the frayed bottom, and they're in this pretty color. It's like, it's dark, which I like, and it's like a brick, which could go really well with the poncho too. So let me do some try-ons here. I am really excited. I'm wondering if these are high-waisted, which I like. Let me see if it says anything here. It just says, it says Merlot E-Crop Fringe Skinny Jean. Does not say. Well, I will find out soon, won't I? Okay, well, I'm gonna turn this off, have the other piece of my chocolate, and try on. Be right back. Okay, I am back. This is the blouse by Always. Is it Always in, let's see here. Oops. This is Always and Forever. Okay. It is okay, like if I needed this to make 3 or 5, I would probably do it, but not really in love with it. So the sleeves can be rolled up, and there's, you know, a little tab here, button, or long sleeved. I would probably go with the long sleeve. It's long enough that I could wear leggings. It's just kind of flowy, and yeah, I could wear it during the summer, but during the summer it'd probably be too warm. It's okay. Like I said, if I needed it, I'd probably keep it. But then we have the jeans, and these jeans are by Just Black. I don't want to go too high. They are not the high rise. I love this color. I think they called it a burgundy, or I'll have to look. The frayed bottoms are okay. I could do the frayed bottoms, but I like having them higher, and they're okay. So let me show you the back here. So let's go on to the next. Okay, I am back with the next sweater. This is a sweater by Be Cool. It has a nice cowl neck, and it also has a ribbing on the sleeves and the ribbing on the cowl neck here. If you can believe, I don't have any cowl necks. I have some turtlenecks from when we go up to the snow, but nothing like this. I love this color. So I put on some of my own leggings. And at the bottom here, I don't know if you can see, but there is the ribbing at the bottom also. I do like this. I love the color. I could wear black. I could also wear jeans with this. And it is nice and soft and cozy. I like this one. So let's go to the next one. Okay, I am back. This black poncho is by Love Tree, and so it does have a little button here, and you can take this little button off, which I think I showed you. So maybe not the easiest, but it does come off. Put the clicker down for a second there. Okay, so that, and then this does have a button that comes off, so I guess you could wear it like that. You could just wear it down like that. Okay, which is also very cute. I do happen to like it when it's buttoned. Long sleeves. It's soft and cozy. It has fringe, It's just something different. So I think that this might just be a winner for me. Let me take it off again for you, and I will show you. Now I have leggings on with it. They suggested, my stylist suggested that I wear it with the jeans that she sent. I wanted to kind of see if I liked it with my clothes that I have, since I'm not keeping those jeans. And I have leggings. I would probably wear it with leggings or my own jeans. And I do like this. And then the last piece of clothing that I do have here is this camo shirt from Chris and Carol. And I think I am stuck. Unstuck. Okay, so I'm not sure how I got out of that one, but I did. So I also like this one. It is nice and long. You see that? It does not have, sorry, I was looking at the mirror over there. It does not have a curved bottom, but I'm okay with that. Let me show you the back. I just like these longer tops because then I feel very comfortable wearing my leggings. I could put another top on top. Sorry about my my bra. We went for a nice long walk today at the beach, and I just had my other, anyway, sorry about that, but wear a different bra. I like this one too. So let's go to the recap, and I'm going to need your help. Okay, ready for the recap? First of all, we have here, this is by Love Treat, and it's the black poncho. Tell me what you guys think. I liked it. I thought it was a little different. I liked the way you could wear it buttoned on each side. So you could wear it buttoned on each side. You could just wear it down. The price on this is $39. I don't think it's that bad of a price. I like that it had sleeves too. Let me know. Okay, the next one is, let's see, this one here, and it is by Always and Forever, and this is the striped top. It really, I wasn't that fond of this top. I like the colors. I definitely like the colors, but yeah, I think this one's going back. The next one is this one, and this one is by, you know, I could probably put that paper down here. This one is by, let's see, maybe I can't put that one down. Be Cool, and it is $44. And I think this is so cute. It's soft, it's long, it's cozy. What do you all think? Okay, and then we have this by Chris and Carol. It seems like Chris and Carol and we get along really well. And this one here, the camo top, is $39. Ooh, $39 for a t-shirt. Let's think about that one. And then we have here by Just Black, the jeans. I do like the color of this jean. What did they call it? They called it Merlot. That was it. I do like the color of these jeans. I just don't feel that they are high-rise enough for me. So then it kind of gives that little muffin thing going on. So no for that. So the three that I really do like are these three: the camo shirt, the poncho, and the sweater. So I could keep all three and get a 20% discount. Let me know what you guys think, and I am going to look at the footage and see what I think. I really do like these. I do think out of the three of them though, that this is probably a little bit overpriced for a t-shirt, but I do like that it's long and I could just wear leggings with it. Here we go again. Okay, I'm going to end this. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. For my subscribers, thank you so much. I love your comments. I love reading, and I try and respond to everybody. And for those that are not subscribers, I would love to hear what you have to say. And Linda Roy, love you, lady. Love you so much. We're wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. Bye now.